Welcome to the Quicklinks Hub in the myFSU portal. This page provides multiple ways to find the resources you're looking for. You can sort all available links in two ways, alphabetically or by category. When sorting alphabetically, you can select View All to see a complete list of every quick link. You can select a specific letter to jump directly to all links that start with that letter. If you are used to the layout of the previous portal, you can start by category. This provides the same categorized experience. Selecting a category button such as myFSU Identity Management or Research will display all related links directly below. Finally, if you cannot find what you're looking for, you can use the search bar at the top right corner. Typing in a keyword such as apply will return all related quick links, academic deadlines, and events. Searching for other keywords like security or courses works the same way, helping you quickly find any resource in the portal.